Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get rid of captions on your favorite video on TikTok. How to enjoy a TikTok video without those annoying captions. First, you'll open the app. Then you select the video that you like. You can search for the video that you'd like to watch. For instance, this one, as you can see, it has captions on it. You can see the captions there. Then you're going to like the video. And then you select me, and then you select the video that you just liked, and then you're going to press the arrow that's pointing to your right and select save, and there you can see that the video has been saved, and you're going to press done, and that's it. And you can save it again, and it's saved in your gallery. Then you'll simply close out of TikTok and go into photos or go into galleries depending on the phone that you are using, and there you'll see the video, and you can watch the video without the captions. As you can see there, no captions. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.